What is up, guys? Yasmin here, and today we're at AM Dyno. We have a 5.7 Supercharged Tundra, aka Trail Command, and we're going to be running it on the dyno with 91 and then E85 using our eFlexFuel plug-and-play kit. Stick around and find out the results. Alright, bro, what are we doing right now?
So we're draining the 91 out of it, so we put ethanol in it, see what our power numbers are, and see how much of the improvement we get.
Okay, and this truck has all AN fittings, that's why we're doing it back here?
Yeah, so normally we wouldn't have to do this, but, you know, race stuff.
Yeah, race car stuff, right?
Race car stuff.
There we go. Okay, cool. It shouldn't be so difficult. We're just gonna swap over fuel and let's see the difference. Dude, we just switched over to E85. What do you think is gonna happen?
Mind-blowing. Honestly, I think it's gonna make some serious power. You're gonna see that low-end RPM give you more power, more torque. I feel like we're gonna see a higher number down low, and that curve is gonna be a lot bigger, I think, in my opinion.
Nice. I mean, you feel it. You got the butt dyno, so you know it's gonna be better.
I feel it. I definitely feel it.
There we have it. We've completed the before and after eFlexFuel 91 to E85. And the gains were magnificent. So check out that beauty. Oh yeah. Let's do a photo shoot and wrap it up for the day.